In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send documents for signature using Docusign Rooms, a powerful tool that keeps all your files and agreements organized in one place. If you're new to digital signing or just want the simplest possible workflow, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know from start to finish. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Docusign website. Docusign is widely trusted for electronic signatures, making it a great choice for real estate professionals, business teams, and anyone who needs a secure way to collect signatures. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button at the top. Click it and enter your account information. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first, because Docusign Rooms works only when you're logged in and your documents are saved under your profile. After logging in, you'll land on the Docusign home screen, which serves as your main dashboard. From here, you can access your templates, manage transactions, and send new documents. Since today we're focusing on sending a document through Rooms, the first important step is selecting the right template. Templates help streamline the workflow and prevent you from repeating the same setup every time. Click on Select a Template and browse through the available options. Choose the one that best fits the type of document you're sending. Once your template is selected, Docusign Rooms will guide you to the detail entry section. This is where you'll fill in all the important information, such as the recipient's name and email address, and any details related to the agreement. Take your time here. Accurate information ensures that the document reaches the correct person and that the signing fields align properly. After entering the necessary details, go ahead and click the Next button. You'll now be taken to the document preparation page. This is one of the most important steps because it gives you a chance to review everything you've added. Make sure the document looks correct, verify that all fields are where they should be, and confirm that the recipient information is accurate. This quick review helps avoid delays and prevents you from having to resend the document later. Once everything looks good, look for the Send button. With a single click, your document will be sent to the recipient for signature. They'll receive an email notification letting them know that a document is waiting, and you can track their progress directly inside your Docusign room. And that's it. You've successfully sent a document for signature using Docusign Rooms. As you get more comfortable, feel free to explore additional features like reminders, signing order, and document organization tools. These extras can save you time and help keep your workflow running smoothly. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps make your signing process faster and more efficient. Stay tuned for more helpful guides coming soon.